Let's see this. What is the pattern which denotes the value minus 16.125 to the base 10? So what is the pattern which denotes the value minus 16.125 base 10? So since we are using this representation, so one bit is for sine, and then one sine is 1 bit, and then exponent is 7 bits, and mantissa is 8 bits. Let's convert that number into binary and put it there. So only one thing you should be careful about is exponent has to be XS64. So what is the value of this? Minus means minus 16 is 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 16, and 1 to 5 means 0, 0, 1. So this is 1 to 5, right? Now if I write it, if I try to move this decimal point, this radix point to the left, then I am increasing the value, therefore I have to decrease the value, right? So if I try to move it till what point, since we are using the implicit normalization, we are going to move it till the right of the most significant one. So which means I want to move it 1, 2, 3, 4 points here. So 1 point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 1 into 2 power 4. So since I have increased it, I will decrease it, 2 power minus 4. I think since I have increased it, I need to decrease, sorry. When I move the decimal point to the left, then I am actually decreasing the value, therefore I am supposed to increase the value, so it is 2 power 4, okay? Fine. Now this entire part is going to be our mantissa, and this part is going to be our exponent, but then you have to make it excess, right? So which means the value that I should store here is, even though the value is 4, the value I should store there is plus bias. So bias is 64, it is going to be 68, so I have to save 68 there, okay? So what is 68? 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, and then 1 followed by 1, 2, so 64 plus 4, got it? And what about mantissa, this entire part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one is 0 because 8 bits are required there. And what about sign? Since it is a minus number, the sign bit is going to be 1. So this is the bit representation, right? In order to represent this floating point number, minus 16.125, which is in base 10. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.